Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Olympia 26-inch 8-pocket rolling duffel bag. Yeah, it's just a great little inexpensive rolling duffel bag that we got for a recent trip to Costa Rica. My girlfriend and I, we got matching ones. This one's hers, and they're both exactly the same, but they do come in an array of colors. This one's, of course, purple. And we got these for our trip. We didn't want to spend, a ton of money, but we also didn't want to bring our nicer suitcases along because we knew we'd be kind of like trekking through like jungly kind of places. So, we found these ones by Olympia and, really liked it. It's only been on one trip with us, but pretty awesome. So I kind of go over the design and I guess the features and what I like most about this bag. So to start off with, the material on this is a really nice, like durable polyester. It's, pretty much your standard, what you're gonna get on a duffel bag. Very nice and thick, very sturdy, very strong. It's definitely got like a rough sort of feel to it. But it's something that you could hold up, without really getting any noticeable signs of wear and tear. It's something that's going to last you a while, is basically what I'm saying. The wheels on here are nice. Pretty good size. They're not the biggest, but they're also not tiny. We were at some points rolling these over little gravel paths, dirt and stuff like that. They were pretty solid. They worked out really well. It's very sturdy when it rolls. You don't feel them like shaking or anything. They're recessed a bit, obviously, as you can see, so they don't stick out as much as maybe some other wheels on some bags. On the top right here, you have the nice standard Hideaway handle. Always love Hideaway handles. Pulls up to a pretty nice height. Yeah, you're gonna get some pretty good height out of this thing. I mean, even putting it on the ground, it goes up, and I'm about 5'10", and it goes up to my belly button. So you really got some nice height on this thing, which is great for any really full-grown adult. Even if you're a 6 foot or something, it's definitely going to go above your waist. So it's pretty solid in that aspect. You're not going to be bending down or whatever. And then once you're done using this, you can easily just put it back in the actual thing, and then you can zip it up, and it's almost like it is not even there. It just disappears, hence the Hideaway handle. So you can also carry it just like a duffel bag if you don't want to be wheeling it around, which is really nice. As for the actual storage on this thing, there's tons of storage. Really, there's a lot of different places to store things. You have the large opening in the top, and that's, for, large opening up here that you can unzip on the inside. Holds really a ton of stuff for the size. The large compartment, and I can't open it all the way with one hand because I have this handle right here, but it's very large, tons of space inside for the size of this thing. I mean, the main compartment is incredibly spacious. There are also tons of other little pockets around the bags. Around the bag, you have these two on the sides, which are great for like little accessories, like phone chargers, your wallet, whatever. You can put those in the little pockets. Another little pocket right here, another one right here, and this part, and then one right on top. So really, they've like stuck pockets pretty much everywhere you can think of on this bag. You're ready to go with all your stuff for sure. No lack of storage. The zippers on here are pretty nice. Yeah, they're just pretty much your standard zippers. Definitely not like, hardcore or anything. They're pretty lightweight, I would just say pretty basic, if anything. But I haven't had any issues with them getting caught or breaking, which is, that's exactly how you want your zipper to be. So that's pretty solid. You also have this little thing on the bottom right here. This can either act as a handle for the side, or it works to stand it up when it's not in use. But you have to have stuff in there for it to work. As for checking, most places require that you check bags smaller than I think 22 inches, so it's really been a hit or miss with this thing. On the way there, we had to check it. On the way back, we didn't. So, otherwise, very easy to travel with. Love that it's a duffel bag / rolling suitcase, so you can do either one if you want. Very versatile, very spacious, not too heavy, and just a great all-around duffel bag. So yeah, if you need a new inexpensive rolling duffel bag, I would definitely check this one out. It's the Olympia 26-inch 8-pocket rolling duffel bag. Alrighty guys, take it easy.